Hi guys, here is tutorial on how you can connect to and fetch some data from MySQL database by using C#. I have here Visual Studio and I'm gonna to create new project. For project type I will choose console app and for name I will go with MySQL connection test. Before any coding, I will first install NuGet package that will help us to connect to database in just a few lines of code. Okay, go to Tools, NuGet Package Manager Console. In console type install package mysql.data and press enter. After installation is done, you can go and close NuGet console, and we can start with coding. First of all, we need to create database connection string made up out of database server, user, password, and database name. I have MySQL server installed locally, so I'm gonna to write localhost for server and user is root. I already have database of my previous project we attend, so I'm gonna to use this database. Now, when we have connection string, we can create connection instance out of MySQL connection class. Open connection by calling open method, and now we can write SQL query for select some data from database. I will select first name and last name from table with name tag. Create reader object by calling execute reader method on the command object. And by using while loop, read row by row from table and print them out in console. Start application and we can see that all rows from table tag has been printed in console. That's it. Don't forget to like video and subscribe to channel. Till the next time, adios.